Hello and welcome to Ecomax Catering. As part of our introduction to the Hobart Ecomax range, we have the impressive Ecomax H602 hood dishwasher. So what makes this hood dishwasher stand out? Robust German construction combined with a range of efficiency features make this unit extremely durable and affordable to run. One outstanding feature is the unique to Hobart four-sided hood. Steam and heat are drawn up and captured in the hood, saving on average about £350 a year. Upper and lower wash and rinse arms, designed with Hobart's Vector anti-block jets, give complete and even coverage whilst using a minimum in water and detergent. The H602 can wash up to 48 racks per hour. Simple to use soft touch controls result in easy operation and less risk of user errors. As with all Hobart dishwashers, a drain pump, Class A air gap and detergent and rinse aid dosing equipment is fitted as standard. And finally, a factory fitted water softener is available for any site with a hard water supply. A very neat and easy solution. In this sector, this hood dishwasher is unrivaled. In typical German fashion, the build quality and efficiency are second to none. For more information, call us now on 01582 86 50 50.